AMSOIL 5W30 100% Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil. AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil is an all-weather universal tractor transmission oil engineered to meet the tough demands of heavy-duty, hydraulic-powered farm and commercial equipment. Its unique formulation of synthetic-based stocks and additives effectively reduces wear, resists heat, protects against rust and extends fluid and equipment service life. Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil is recommended for extended oil drains based on oil analysis. Excellent protection in temperature extremes. AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil operates over a wide range of temperatures. It has a high viscosity index to maintain its lubricity for wear protection at high operating temperatures, and it flows at temperatures down to -58 degrees Fahrenheit, -50 degrees Celsius, for improved equipment operation at low temperatures. Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil exceeds the viscosity requirements of the all-weather specifications of both Case, New Holland and John Deere, helping eliminate the need for seasonal oil changes. Smooth brake operation. AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil is formulated with durable friction-modifier additives that effectively suppress wet brake chatter. Unlike lower-quality oils that can break down and cause vibration, AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil provides continuous frictional stability for long-term smooth brake operation. Applications. AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil is recommended for equipment combinations of transmissions, hydraulic systems, final drives, power takeoff systems and wet brakes operating in all-weather hot and cold temperatures, including, but not limited to those listed below. Farm tractors and equipment, forklift trucks, off-road equipment, lawn tractor hydrostatic transmissions, golf course mower hydrostatic systems, some 4x4 ATV models with wet brake differentials. AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil benefits include: excellent cold and hot weather protection, reduces need for seasonal change-outs, controls brake chatter, extended oil and equipment life, cooler operation, smooth brake operation, excellent resistance to oil degradation at high temps, compatible with all seal materials, extended seal and hose life, increased pump and valve life. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Synthetic Tractor Hydraulic/Transmission Oil today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the Preferred Customer Program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.